Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to filter Google search result by dates in a few seconds. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. The next thing we want to do is to come to search or type URL. Let's say, for instance, we want to search for how to use WeChat. As an example, hit on search. Then right here we have article about how to use WeChat by Google Gemini AI. Then when we scroll down right here, we see more information about this particular topic that we search for. We see video, we see pictures, but here, based on the date right here, we have one with 2002 right here. If you scroll down, then you see more old content or old results for this particular topic. And in some cases, we may need to check on the latest post about that particular topic. If you click on search more results right here, then there is no latest one right here. The more you scroll down, you can see another one here 7 years ago right here. Now, how do you filter the Google result by date in order to get the latest information of a particular something you are searching? So what you need to do is to swipe this way. So I'm going to simply swipe this way and this way, and then until I get to search tools. Click on search tools. So when you click on search tools, this is going to drop down. Then here, you can simply click on anytime right here. Then here, you can filter the result based on past hours or 24 hours or past week or past month or past year. Let's say, for instance, I want to check the result for this type of title right here for the past week. I will select past week. So having select past week, we will only see a result that is relevant to what we are searching for in less than 1 week. Just like what you see right here, 1 day ago, 3 days ago. If I scroll down right here, then you see that we have another one 1 day ago that has to do with WeChat. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to filter Google search result by date in a few minutes. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.